In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Chatroom to Google Sites. Full tutorial 2026. We're going to add a modern chat bubble to your Google site using Elf Site. And the best part is you won't need to write any code. Start by heading to the Elf Site website. On the home page, hover over the Widgets section to open the gallery of tools. From there, choose All-in-One Chat. This widget lets you offer a single floating chat button that can connect visitors to services like WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or a basic contact option, all from one place. Click Create Widget for free to get started. You'll see a library of templates. Pick one that matches the experience you want, then continue with that template. Inside the editor, take a moment to personalize it. You can change the welcome text, pick the channels you want to offer, adjust colors and button style to match your brand, and choose whether the chat bubble appears on the left or right. Small tweaks here make a big difference in how approachable your site feels. When you're happy with the setup, click Add to Website for free. You may be prompted to sign in or create a free Elf Site account. Next, click Publish. You'll be shown plan options. Select the one that fits your needs. The free tier is great for trying things out and may include branding. After that, you'll see an embed snippet. Click Copy Code. This is a small piece of JavaScript that places the chat bubble on your site. Now switch over to your Google Sites editor. Open the page where you want the chat to appear and choose the Embed option. In the dialog, select the Embed Code tab, then paste the code you copied and click Next. You'll get a preview frame. Go ahead and click Insert to place it on the page. Because this is a floating widget, its exact position in the page layout doesn't matter much. The chat button will dock itself to the edge you selected in Elf Site. If the preview looks empty, don't worry. Floating widgets sometimes appear only in a live view. Once your site is live, the chat bubble should show in the corner on desktop and mobile. If it doesn't appear, check that ad blockers or script blockers aren't interfering, and make sure you pasted the entire code. A handy tip: when you change settings later in Elf Site, those updates sync automatically without replacing the code in Google Sites. That's it. Your Google site now has a clean, clickable chat room experience ready to engage visitors.